back, Modified World. It's Wilma right here. It's her dino day, so hopefully it goes good. Put in the comments what you think it's gonna make. My guess is gonna be 601. What about you guys? Keep you updated on the trip there and see how things go. Here's the race car hauler. Shout out to a friend who let us borrow it. A little Dirty Max. Maybe the YouTube will blow up and I'll be able to get one of these for myself. This might be the most terrified I've ever been loading this thing. It's terrifying. So we finally got her loaded up on the race car hauler. Thanks to my uncle for providing the trailer and a friend of my dad's for the truck. Just load it down though. Hopefully it makes decent power and doesn't mess up. You guys ever wondered who is in charge of putting these down? They're perfectly aligned apart from each other. I'd hate life to have to go set these out. And they're on this side too. Seems like that'd be absolutely miserable. So after like 30 minutes, we finally got it off the trailer. Jeez. Got the tuners. So here's the hotel room. It's not bad. Hopefully we're not sharing a room with bed bugs. That would be unfortunate. Pretty great view. You know, it's not bad. Like $80. Not too bad. we got her back. Sounds a little different. Boys, we're back after like a 4-hour day. She made like 540. I'm waiting for the next graph. Keep that one a secret, but it makes 540. Sounds different. Let's see how it runs. I'll probably make another video how it runs better, if it does run better. I'm sure it does, but like first impressions. But hopefully you guys enjoy this video. It's like a half-did vlog, so hopefully you guys like it. If not, that's alright too, but peace out, guys.